Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. So this is Fawad and today I'm going to talk about how you can actually start your journey on Amazon and start your business on Amazon. And I will also talk about what is the difference between private label, online arbitrage and wholesale. So let's talk about how you can actually start your journey on Amazon. You can start your journey on Amazon with online arbitrage because as you know this is the lowest investment business model, and it does not mean you can not invest in other business model wholesale and private label. And as you know, the private label is the most popular business model, and you can actually generate some higher profits as well. This video is all about how you can actually start your journey on Amazon. And this business model, online arbitrage business model, is for those who just want to take their first step. They don't have a bigger investment, or they don't want to invest big on Amazon. They just want to start running business on Amazon. So you can actually start your business model with online arbitrage because you just have to invest $400 to $500 and you can start running your business model, because you don't need to run any ads, you don't need to do the marketing. So you just need to find out the hot selling products and you can start resell on Amazon and generate some good profits as well. So you just need two tools. One is Keepa and other one is Seller AMP, which is Seller AMP, which are my favorite tools and have used for my clients and find out the really profitable deals for my clients. So if you know how you can actually read the Keepa chart and check the IP complaints and analyze the deal properly, so you can actually easily start this business model and you can start generating some good profits. And let's talk about with the wholesale. So you can actually move from online arbitrage to wholesale and then move to the private label, but it will take some time because you have to scale, you have to properly find out the profitable deals, and you can start generating some profits, and you can reinvest that money into the wholesale with the specific products, and you can actually also start with the private label as well. So let's talk about the investment of the wholesale and the requirements of the wholesale. In the wholesale business model, you have to investment around $5,000 to $8,000 or maybe even more. If you are purchasing from the wholesalers and distributors, you have to invest low because they have a lower requirements of the units and the investment. It might be they have an investment around $2,000 to $4,000 to open a wholesale account with them. And for the brands, you actually have to invest the bigger amount, maybe $7,000, $8,000, or even more than that, or even less than that. So it totally depends on their MOQs. So you have to meet their MOQs to open the wholesale account with them, and actually you can start purchasing products from them. So also you need some your company details, your EIN number, and so your social security number, and also you have to give them the resale certificate to exempt from the tax, and you can actually generate some good profits as well. After that, if we will talk about after wholesale, you can move to the private label. You already take your first step and now move to your second step, that is wholesale or private label. So let's talk about the private label investment. You have to invest $15,000 to $20,000 or maybe even more or maybe even less according to your product. You have to invest on trademark and your patent services and other things like inspection and your product sourcing and your A+ content, your premium A+ content, and your images and the other things if you take some services as well. And you also have to invest on ads, on the marketing as well, and external marketing as well with the influencers as well. So you need the bigger investment to actually start this business model, and this is the really good business model because you can generate some really good profits and actually improve your product by checking the negative reviews and the positive reviews of the competitors, what are the customer pain points, and you can actually give them the value in the market, and you can actually start generating some good sales, and you can start seeing some good ACOs as well in the market, because if you do some innovation in the market and solve the customer problems, so customer actually really buy from you. This video is all about how you can actually start your journey from the online arbitrage and then move to wholesale and then move to the private label. But it totally depends on your interest, it totally depends on your investment, how much investment do you have and in which business model are you interested in. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video and comment and share your thoughts in the comments, what do you think about this.